Beth here, and I am at Ni9 Distillery. We are working on their kits. Guess what? We have new ones with our syrups. So in this kit for the Rise and Shine cocktail, we have our Northern Temple Vodka, we have our Maple Butter Simple Syrup, we have our Chocolate Hazelnut Coffee Bean Bitters, and Pull Steam Coffee Beans. So we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of our Northern Temple Vodka, 1 ounce of our Maple Butter Syrup, 0.5 milliliters, or however many bitters that you want to drop in there. I like 2 heaping drips. And then a whole bunch of espresso. There you get some ice. You're going to put it in your coupe as well to chill the glass. You're going to shake it up. And you're going to give this a little stir to make sure it's cold. And strain it into the coupe. If you want to get fancy, put a couple of coffee beans on the top. And there you have it, the Rise and Shine. Good morning, y'all. Oh, and if you want to get this kit, go to nickel9distillery.com, grab it right away for your cocktail needs. Like it right here. Follow our YouTube and Instagram.